Nespresso Vertuo is a gourmet coffee range that uses an innovative blend-specific brewing technology called centrifusion. With a simple touch of the button, the capsule begins to rotate, allowing the machine to read the barcode on its rim and automatically calibrate the perfect brewing parameters for that particular blend. As the water infuses the coffee grounds, the rotating capsule reaches a speed of 7,000 RPM, and the centrifugal force gently brews the coffee, extracting its full aroma and forming the perfect crema every time. What's more, your Vertuo capsules are easily recycled. Discover our highly sophisticated Vertuo machines for every cup size. Placing an order is easy. Simply visit our boutiques or order online 24/7 and enjoy fast delivery to your chosen address. Nespresso. What else?
My favorite drink from the Ninja Coffee Bar, the sweet soffiacino.
Have you ever wished you could enjoy barista-quality espresso and full-bodied traditional coffee right in the comfort of your own home? Well, now you can, thanks to Cuisinart for Ely. Introducing the Bonatazza Super Automatic Single-Serve Espresso, Cafe Latte, Cappuccino, and Coffee Machine, and the Bonatazza Single-Serve Espresso and Coffee Machine. Now, rich, smooth espresso, latte, cappuccino, and traditional coffees are being served at your house. And all with just the push of a button. Choose a short or long espresso, cappuccino, or cafe latte. And thanks to the patented integrated milk container and steaming system, you don't even have to move the cup. There's no waiting with the independent dual heater system that steams your milk and brews your espresso and coffee at the perfect temperature. The secret to such exceptionally great-tasting espresso and traditional coffee lies in Ely's revolutionary Eper capsule system. Eper espresso capsules utilize a specially designed valve that enhances body and aroma for smooth, full-bodied taste. When your beverage is ready, don't worry about cleanup. Virtually none is necessary, as there are no grounds left behind, so the internal parts of the machine are never contaminated. Additionally, the steam wand uses patent-pending burst of steam technology that cleans itself after each milk cycle. The Bonatazza espresso machines features a die-cast metal brew head lever, 19 bars of pressure, and a used capsule container. Each Bonatazza machine comes with a starter pack of espresso and coffee capsules. Choose your espresso from a variety of premium Arabica coffees, or try traditional coffee in medium or dark roast. Now with the Cuisinart for Ely Bonatazza Super Automatic Single-Serve Espresso, Cafe Latte, Cappuccino, and Coffee Machine, and the Bonatazza Single-Serve Espresso and Coffee Machine, you can enjoy barista-quality super premium espresso and coffee right in the comfort of your own home.
I know what you're thinking. How exactly do I get these parts to fit back into the machine again? We've got a trick. All it takes is a click. Tackle the dosing unit first. Attach the first disc. It's all about the alignment here. Twist and click. Now the last disc. Flip the dosing unit and align the two arrows. Next, attach the cross-shaped scraper to the coffee box by aligning the grooves. Attach the assembled dosing unit to the coffee box with a click. Line up the groove with the 12 o'clock position and push it in until you hear a click. Then close the lid with a click to cover the coffee box. Next, take the green slider. Insert and secure it with a click. This part is called the mixing chamber. You'll need the filter as well. Ensure that the filter is slotted properly in the mixing chamber. Slide the mixing chamber in like this and lock this blue handle as well. It's important. Next, slide the drawer back in until you hear the click. Finally, fix the drip tray in place. And you've just ticked all the clicks to enjoy a top-draw cafe-style coffee.